So remember how lithium batteries were exploding everywhere in 2015? That's still a massive problem for every garbage truck and dump in every city across the world. Because they cause over 5,000 fires and explosions in the US every year. But there's two people here who might have a solution. Okay, good. I'll take that.
So this started out as a senior project. I was trying to degrade plastics back to their natural constituents with mycelium, which are mushrooms. I was super excited to show my tech, and they were like, cool. David's truck literally just exploded. So that uncovered a huge problem for us.
This causes $1.2 billion in damages annually in the US and Canada alone. People get punctured, crushed, and just go into the runway. And dozens of people die every year from these fires.
That's when we started problem solving and ultimately developing a proactive solution before they started a fire.
They started by placing radars on their own car and testing them in their own neighborhood. The final design goes right onto the garbage truck and can look through thousands of materials to find any one specific item. How do you teach it to find something?
That's like IP.
I'm the hardware expert, my co-founder is the business expert, and we needed a super cracked machine learning expert.
I joined the team because 3 years ago I survived a traumatic brain injury where I had to relearn to walk and to talk. When you go through something like that, you have a choice on how the rest of your life looks. And I wanted to make the most meaningful, positive impact I could with software. And that's exactly what I'm doing here.
We're already working with the largest waste management companies in the country. The ability to detect for something specific in the messiest environment possible, it's actually super powerful. This is applicable beyond just lithium-ion batteries and even beyond the waste management industry.
And that's because every day, this team is working on new methods to push this field even further. From actually capturing hazards to revamping the systems this industry operates on. They're doing a ton for one of the most quietly important public goods we have.
Trash is changing.
Yo, that's a good ending line.
Hello.